What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Hey, I want you to know that today we're going to talk about what I think about Roblox. And then there's some more money plays that we're going to get into. And then, hey, let's discuss what we're going to do with the stimulus checks once they are cut. All right? That more in a sec. Welcome back, good people. Hey, it's first of all, for those of you that's not subscribed to the page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. For those that have been rolling with me for a while, go ahead and hit the like button, all right? I'm also going to say, if you see any correspondence below that talks about a WhatsApp, leaving a phone number or contact my broker, it's not me, it's spam. We all know about the Weeble promotion. I'll discuss it a little bit more at the end. Let's get right into it. Let's get into what I think about Roblox. For those of you that's been rolling with me and you know how I treat these hype IPOs, there's a lot of hype around this IPO, Roblox. And whenever there's a lot of hype, it always drives the price up. So what do we do here with Stock Up? We wait. And most of the times, just about every time, it's lower the next day. So, excuse me. Every time when I get ready to talk to you guys, I get the burps. I'm sorry. So what we do is we wait, and it'll probably be lower tomorrow. So what happens is there is a price where it should be, and then it's always delayed because the institutions get theirs first. And then we get ours, investors, retail investors. And so what they do is drive the price up because they think it's asinine to pay the same price that we pay. And then they get theirs and then it runs up, right? So what's going to happen tomorrow? It's probably going to be lower than it was today. That's what I think. That's all I have to say on Roblox. Wait, get it, buy a dip, and then ride it long. It's going to make money. So that's how I do overhyped IPOs. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And so that's how I'm going to play it. I'm going to buy the rumor and I'm going to hold it. All right. So let's get into some more stock, shall we? Now, I want to tell you guys that every stock that I've talked about this week are still good stocks. So make sure you go back and watch the videos from yesterday and the day before. They're still at buy prices. Every stock that I've talked about. What did I talk about? NNDM, still in the buy price. Tesla, Palantir, Inseego. These are all good. Still, I think are still at good prices. Look at every stock that I talked about, and it's still a buy. It's kind of easy money at this point. Because what I'm doing is I'm revisiting the stock that got hit the most. And most of them were tech. And tech got hit the most, right? Because they're the most vulnerable. But they have the greater uproom to come back. And that's what has happened with a lot of these tech stock. And to be honest with you, I thought it was going to be a slight pullback today. But it was pretty good. It was kind of flat with my portfolio. It's kind of flat. And I was cool with that. Except my Bitcoin. All right. And what I mean by Bitcoin, I mean American mining, not American, but mining companies, which you could buy on any app you have. I'm going to look at Riot again, RIOT, Mara, MARA, and let's look at Hive, HIVE. Let's look at those companies because there's money to be made short term even. All right. And it's directly tied with these stimulus checks. So if you look at, let's go to Hive first. If you look at Hive, if you go to February 19th, you will see that it hit its 52-week high, right? Let's just call it 720. $7.20, which will represent about 40% from where it is right now, February 19th, right? So now let's go tomorrow. Let's go to February 17th. So you can see it went down and then it came back up February 19th. So let's go back to February 17th, right? Before the pullback. If you see it, it's $48 and it closed at $38 and now that's $47. So that's a quick pop that you can make again. So there's a reason why I'm showing you all of these. Let me get to that. Let's go to Riot, which is the one I'm the most bullish on. Let's go February 17th again. You'll see $77, which is around another 40%, right? So Hive and Riot around 40%, Mara a little less, but from what I've read, Mara, has purchased some more Bitcoin mining machines, so it could catch up to 40%. I think that Bitcoin is going to go higher than where it was February 17th and 19th. I believe it's going higher. And I believe that this is for you day traders, this is going to be easy money. This is what I'm suggesting. And so I bought some after hours with my Webull because that's what Webull allows you to do. Other platforms allow you to do it also, but Webull allows you to do it. I bought some more Riot and I bought some more Mara and I bought some Hive, right? And I just bought them after hours, okay? And so what I'm going to tell you is that when they print money, because Bitcoin acts like gold in certain ways, not all the way in lockstep, but in certain ways it acts like gold. So what I'm saying is it could run up. So here's what happened to Bitcoin the last year when the stimulus checks came. It went up 400%. Do I think that's going to happen this time? Absolutely not. I hope I'm proven wrong because I have a whole Bitcoin portfolio. And if it runs up 400%, y'all gonna hear me screaming. Like, you're gonna say, who is that little 14-year-old girl screaming? That would be me. My voice will be so high, I'll be screaming like, thank you, Jesus, thank you, Oprah. For those of you that watched the movie. That's going to be me if it happens. But I do believe that it's going to beat the year's high, the highs that has been for this year. So I think that you can easily make over 40% on your money on Bitcoin. And so you should, regardless of the broker, you should be able to buy all of those stocks, right? Having said that, if you wanted to get into real Bitcoin, actually Webull allows you to buy real Bitcoin, okay? So yeah, they have the special. I'm gonna keep it short. They have the special where you sign up. If you deposit $100, they give you 2 free stock worth up to $1,850, right? Easy money, good people. Click the link below, download the app. That's all I'm going to say about that. I want to also say, I've noticed that my videos have been getting squeezed a little bit. And then I've looked at other videos like stock mode. Then I've looked at some more videos and they're like getting half the views. So you to the tube, I'm not going to call a name. You to the tube is doing something. Something is going on. All right. And so I need you guys to make sure that when you hit the subscribe button, that notification bell is checked to all so you can get all of these, because I'm going to be giving you some time sensitive information. OK, because there's a lot of good plays coming up, good people. So I want you guys to be in on everything. Then lastly, I'm going to ask you guys this. I'm 15,000 away from 300,000. My birthday is next week, Tuesday. And all I need you to do is go to my page, click the share button. That's going to copy that link. You can go to Facebook, make a post. I love this dude, or this dude is making me money. Post the link. That way people will know I'm out there. And if everybody did it, I'll be at 300,000 tomorrow morning. Thank you. You're so kind. You didn't even have to do that, but I'm glad you did. So I hope you guys take advantage of I want you to remember, do your own research. I want you to look at Mara. I want you to look at Riot. I want you to look at Hive, okay? And the other one, Roblox, I'll wait. I'll wait till the dip, and that dip might be tomorrow. So keep your eyes open for that, okay? What else did I wanted to cover? I think I covered everything. I'm going to keep this one short, good people. Hey, I love you guys. I'm going to keep these coming, but I need these numbers to get back up until they work this squeeze out that they got us in. If you guys know anything else I could do to get the word out, help get the word out, you guys go ahead and do that. But if you could do that for my birthday, share this link on your Facebook and your Instagram, but most importantly, your Facebook. It'd be greatly appreciated. All right, good people. Sorry, I was about to sign off without talking about, I knew it was something. We were going to talk about stimulus checks, okay? We want to look at stocks. I'm going to tell you guys what I did. I took last year in 2020, I took my wife's $1,200 stimulus check and my $1,200 stimulus check. And that is now $40,000. I had a few things I did. I bought some penny stock. They were very risky, high risk. One of them I made 380%. I bought some charge point when it was single digits. I was up 500% on that. I just kept really bouncing it. It was such a bull market. But that is literally, and then there was some penny stock that I did. Then I roll all of that over into Bitcoin. So that's my Bitcoin portfolio. Some of you, I shared it with you. There were days when it was up $10,000, and that all started with $2,400 stimulus money. Okay. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to, if you don't need it, for those of you that need your stimulus check to pay bills, to buy groceries, whatever, by all means do that. But if you got money to invest, then think about investing $1,200. Take the remainder, this is just a suggestion, go to your neighborhood restaurant, boutique, neighborhood. Don't drive out of your neighborhood. Yes, it's okay to spend a little, spend 75% in a small business and spend 25% in the big businesses. The small businesses are the ones that are hurting. So go to your neighborhood boutique, barbershops, hair salons, restaurant, especially the restaurant, and leave a good tip. I'm telling you, when you do good stuff like that, good stuff will come back to you. The Almighty is watching and he'll bless you when you bless others. So look at investing $1,200 for those of you that can't afford it and don't need the money. For those of you that need the money, by all means, pay your bills, get your groceries, and that's what it's for. But if you're going to invest the money, I would say take a couple of $100 and go do something for your local neighborhood. Wherever you live, spend that money because that money needs to circulate in that neighborhood. Okay, good people? Do that for the people that live in your neighborhood. You're actually helping them out, all right? And be a blessing to the waitresses, okay? They've weathered through this storm. They've served you. Don't know if you got COVID or not. Let's reward them, all right? All right, I'm going to leave it at that. This time I am going to sign off. Hey, live, love, laugh, and learn. Click that link below.